It's Christmas, David, by David Shannon. At Christmas time, everyone always said, "No, David."
Oh!
No peeking. No snitching. Those are not toys. Be patient. Hurry up.
Yippee!
Santa's watching, David. Naughty list, naughty list, naughty list. Don't start yet. Seat your grandmother. No yawning at the dinner table. That's the wrong fork. Sit up straight. Don't reach. Put your napkin in your lap. Get your elbows off the table. No, David, you may not open one early. Go to sleep, David. No Christmas for you, David.
Dear David, sorry, you were naughty. Love, Santa.
Hey, wake up, David. You were dreaming. Yes, David, it's Christmas.
Hooray!
Oh, dear David, Merry Christmas. Love, Santa Claus.
Merry Christmas.